Here we have another question. Waec 1998. I remain Mr. Jude. A light of wavelength 5.0 times 10 to the minus 7 meter is incident on a metal resulting in photo emission of electrons. If the work function of the metal is 3.04 times 10 to the power minus 19 joule, calculate the frequency of light. The first question there is what? The frequency of light. The frequency of light. And we are already given the speed of light. Since we are given the speed of light and we are given the wavelength of light, I think we can go ahead and get the frequency of light. So in solving this, the speed of light is lambda times frequency. So frequency of light is going to be what? Speed of light over what? Lambda, which is wavelength. And speed of light being what? 3.0 times 10 raised to power what? 8. Speed of light is what? 3.0 times 10 raised to power what? 8. And our velocity of light, our wavelength of light is what? 5.0 times 10 raised to power what? Minus 7. So when you compute this, 3 divided by 5 will give you 0.6. Why this will give 10 to the power 15? This is 0.6. Okay. So we are going to have 6 times 10 raised to the power what? 14 hertz. This is for what? I. So next question says what? The energy. The energy. And recall that energy equals what? Planck constant times what? Frequency. And our Planck constant given as this value, which is what? 6.6 times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 34. Our frequency is what we've gotten here, which is what? 6 times 10 raised to the power what? 14 hertz. So I will multiply the two, you'll be having what? 3.96 times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 19 joules. Minus 19 joules. And the last question here says what? Last question is on what? The maximum kinetic energy. Maximum kinetic energy. Recall that energy of radiation equals to work function plus kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is energy of radiation, which we've gotten here, minus work function. Minus what? Work function. And our energy of radiation, which we've gotten, is 3.96 times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 19. That's our what? Energy of radiation. Our work function is in the question. If you move to the question, because our work function is given at this point, 3.04 times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 19. So minus our work function, which is 3.04 times 10 raised to the power minus 19. 3.04 times 10 raised to the power minus 19. And when you solve this, you'll be having kinetic energy 0.92. Okay, yes, 0.92 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule, which is equivalent to 9.2 times 10 raised to the power what? Minus 20 joule. So at this point, come to the end of energy quantization, except if you have a question or something that will make me go back to this topic. Else, I'm going to what? Wave particle paradox. Looking at the Broglie rule and some other things we need to know. Take note, if you haven't subscribed, do where to subscribe. Invite your friends, invite your loved ones, subscribe to the channel. You all should solve it together, work together, so that we all what? We grow together. I remain your tutor, Mr. Jude Anaduzi. Thank you.